In the aftermath of the pandemic, my husband Martin and I wanted to make a change from living in Seattle, and we contemplated moving to its polar opposite, Arizona. We spent 3 weeks in the Grand Canyon State to experience winter in Arizona and figure out if we should move to Arizona. So what did we decide? Follow this mini-series to find out.
We're traveling, but we still have a little two-person crew going on, trying to get through the Fat Man Crack. Oh, whoa, because it's really, really tight.
Right, we're in yet another ghost town, but this is the most lively ghost town I've ever been to. Last U-turn, USA.
This is super sketchy. We just drove down a dirt road and this is basically Mexico, and we just found a wall.
Did not think that we'd be coming to the wall.
Not again. We were able to narrow our search around here. If we were to possibly move, where exactly we would want to move.
It's gorgeous, and you can definitely see why it's one of the more expensive neighborhoods in this whole area.
We're finishing up our checklist and our paperwork. Once we're off the ground, 2 hours and 12 minutes, initial cruising altitude of 35,000 feet.
Well, we arrived, and the biggest time suck of this entire trip so far was just getting this stupid car.
Yeah, we waited almost an hour to get our stupid car. It's a big black spot for Dollar and Hertz, which apparently are the same company, and they only have 4 people to serve both stands.
Yeah, the problem is there's a lot of these smaller companies like Dollar, and so we actually rented through Dollar, but then nobody was at the Dollar station, and there were like, I think 3 or 4 different companies of the same one that just had nobody there, so they're like, go to Hertz to pick up your car, and then everybody was waiting at Hertz. The line was ridiculous.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's over. We're here. It is, almost 3 o'clock, and we're now in Phoenix. And it already feels so much better being somewhere different. Welcome to our temporary home for the next 3 weeks.
That's right. We ran away from Seattle, which is not having its best times right now. And we got on a plane, not the best experience. And we made it to Phoenix, Arizona, actually Scottsdale to be precise. And we got a little rental vacation home.
So we're going to give you a quick tour because we just unloaded our stuff, but it's not, terribly messy yet, so it's probably in the best state. So it's a pretty nice apartment. It's a 1-bedroom apartment, and when you walk in, you can see like this nice sitting room with a really big TV, 2 spaces where we can both kind of lay out and lounge, and I think it's a smart TV too. Oh, did we bring the fire? We forgot the fire TV.
Yeah. We may have to buy
a new one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is smart. This is you.
That's true. But our hack that we usually do is we bring our Fire Stick or Fire TV with us. But of course, we were talking about it last night, and I was like, yeah, of course, we forgot it. but I mean, they're cheap, so we may have to buy a new one. And then right here, this is such a cool part. You just walk out, and there's the pool and the hot tub. So nice.
You happy with my choice?
Yes. So yeah, it'd be really great to sit out here in the mornings with something hot. Ooh, a little tiki man. Very nice. But yeah, I like the little design touches. This is a really cool table here. And then even I don't even know what this is called, skull.
Skull?
Yeah, skull art thing. And then here we have like a little dining room area. I like the mirror. The mirror being there is really nice. It kind of makes it look bigger than it is.
There's a water machine out there, and we got very nice water, and that's a really good thing out here in the desert.
Yeah, our host actually left us one of these bottles in the closet, and I was like, that's really sweet, because I was wondering how we're going to get good water. We're going to have to buy a bunch of plastic. So this is going to help us cut down on our plastic use,
Delicious
which is
water.
really nice. And luckily I remembered to bring a reusable bottle for during the day.
Gemini Discover.
Heck yeah. But yeah, really nice looking kitchen. I like this black sink actually. This is nice. We have a cooking range and a oven, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, and washer dryer. So that's perfect. This is great. Dishwasher too. So yeah, this is great. Wine tasting. You're gonna have to get some wine.
Yeah, we'll be going to wine country, whatever that may be.
And then back here we have our bedroom. So a really nice bed, and comes with a humidifier, which is nice.
That's true.
Yeah, probably gonna need it. And then closet, which, see if you can spot the weird thing about this closet. There's like no way to hang things, so that's really strange. But nice place for storage. Oh yeah, and we have a big TV in our room too. So 2 giant TVs in this entire rental, which is pretty sweet. And here we have the bathroom. Pretty standard sink, toilet. I haven't even seen the shower yet. Big tub, a shower, and oh, so glad they left us some soap because it did not bring soap. So yeah, this is home base for the next 3 weeks. This is our second time in Arizona, right? Last time we just went to the Grand Canyon and Sedona, but our first time really properly exploring the Phoenix area.
That's right. We only landed in Phoenix last time. We were very impressed by Sedona, and even up there by the Grand Canyon, Flagstaff, it's so nice. But this time we want warm weather, so we came down here to the valley, and it looks quite nice so far.
Yeah, we're not really sure what all there is to do here, so if you guys are from Phoenix or know of anything near the Phoenix area that we should check out, then definitely let us know, because we've got 3 weeks to just do whatever. So something new I tried for this trip was like these vacuum sealed bags. These are suitcase size for travel, and really good example of it is this pillow. I've started sleeping on my side more, and I can really only do it if I use this particular pillow. But it's a really big pillow, but I need it to fit in my carry-on luggage. So I got these vacuum sealed bags, and you can actually seal them without a vacuum. Ooh. And you see that pillow start to puff up now that the air has come back in. So yeah, it shrunk down to about 50% of its size by being in the bag.
Looks like we have hummingbirds.
Even the hummingbirds snowbird, and they come down here for winter.
We're gonna use the remaining daylight and hop into our car and check downtown and get food.
Yes.
We haven't eaten anything today.
So hungry. And yeah, I have no idea what we'll find. So we'll just see whatever looks good.
Tacos look and sound good.
Tacos always sound good.
Exactly. Here's our amazing ride. A Hyundai, which is too cheap to know what it is.
Hyundai
Accent, I didn't know it existed. Out of this trip we won't miss our home, but we'll miss our car.
That's okay, this is a way to keep us humble, right?
That's
So
right.
after 3 weeks of driving this, we're gonna really appreciate our Jeep.
That's right. Alright, let's go.